Finally, I want to show you a very cool feature which is mirroring your iPhone or Android phone in your car. For Android users, you have to use Superlink app for mirroring your mobile, but I'm using iPhone, so let's see the process of Apple AirPlay. First, let's select the AirPlay option on the RC18 7-inch screen, and after this you need to find AirPlay in your Wi-Fi connection and fill the password. Now go to your iPhone, click on the screen mirroring option and select the smart screen option, and there you go, all set and ready to go. The AirPlay experience is wonderful in the RC18. I use TikTok and YouTube videos on the car screen and I didn't found any lag or slowness. Time to compare RC18 7-inch screen with the other 10-inch car screen and enjoy the experience and its performance. The Lamtto RC18 7-inch screen is very smooth and I am enjoying its horizontal and vertical orientation feature. Also, its mirror screen feature is very useful and I didn't found any lag on it. What you think? Let me know in the comment section. The Lamtto RC18 buying price is $89.99 and I'm sharing a 10% discount code here. If you are interested in smartphone gimbal videos, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.